Okay, first of all, what do you have to do? Come here to Google and search for OBS Studio. This website will appear in front of you here. When you open it, there will be an extension for it. Download that or take any screen recorder compatible with Windows 10 and install it, which includes Bandicam and apart from that, screen recording. Here I have used OBS. When you open it, an interface like this will appear. There will be a start recording option here. You can check the other settings. You can use these same ones. After that, as soon as you start recording, you have to begin your work. Now this is the task available that my client has given me, asking me to see how the homepage is working. I have to try signing up on my website. I have to log into it. I have to search in it. I have to go to the product page. Apart from that, I have to add to cart. I have to do all these things. Now let's suppose this website is my client's website, although it is not. It is just for explanation. Now let's suppose this is his website. I opened it. Its homepage is appearing here. It is working perfectly fine. It has loaded smoothly. And here is the men's page. Then there's the kids section here. You have to search all these things. But before searching, you have to turn on the screen recorder that I told you about. If you are doing it on a phone, then you have to do it on the phone. If you are doing it on a laptop, then you have to do it on the laptop. Your client will tell you themselves whether they want to see how the website is working on a laptop or PC or how it is working on a phone. So this is how you have to check the entire website. You have to check the product. You have to look at its description. You have to add it to the cart. There is a search bar. You have to search here and check. Meaning everything your client has asked for, you have to do all of those things. You have to do all these things. You have to provide the screen recording to your client. Now you might be thinking why the client isn't doing all this themselves. Why are they giving it to us? I will explain all those things to you as we go forward. Let's suppose your client is from the USA and they have an e-commerce store. They have an e-commerce website that they want to see how it is working in the UK or how it is working in Australia. Is the website opening correctly there? Is it working properly? Can orders be placed from there? So he wants to see all these things. Now why can't he see this himself and how can you see it? Because you are also sitting in Pakistan. So how can you see it while living in Pakistan? I will tell you how, through which you will earn. Now that work is starting. If you are sitting in Pakistan and doing this, then obviously your IP and the website opening will be based on Pakistan. Whereas your client wants to see the website based on Australia or Canada to see how it works in those countries. So what will you have to do for that? You have to come to Google and search for hello.com. This first website will appear. Open it and log in from here. After logging in, look here, you have to click on Get Started because your account will not be created yet. So as soon as you click on Get Started, this option will appear in front of you where you can provide your full name, email, phone number, country, and company details if you want, otherwise it's not an issue. You have to provide these basic things, set a password, and create your account, and as soon as you create it, this option will appear before you. Down here, the Generate Proxy option is appearing. You have to click on this and add the details here. For example, look here, you can select SOX 5. Then after that, set your country. Let's suppose my customer said he needs it for the UK, so I will select UK here. So select a specific state, like England. If he says, no, I need to see the website for the entire UK, then you don't need to enter other states or cities. You have to do this and then confirm below. But as soon as you confirm, it will ask for an account. You have to come to Account here and click on Add Manual to add an account. It will simply be added just like that. Then the Generate List option has appeared here. You can also increase its quantity, 2, 3, 4, however many you want to do. I have currently selected only one. It has provided this to me here. I need to copy this. After copying, I need to come back to Google and search for AdsPower here. Here you will see the download option right in front of you. You need to click on Download and get it downloaded. It has been downloaded for me right here. Simply install it on your PC or laptop and open it after installation. You need to create your account here. As you can see, open it. This page will appear in front of you. You need to click on New Profile at the top. As soon as you click, you need to provide the details here. For example, I have given a name here. That was a message web, so I've wrote it for testing purposes. You can write anything. Then I have to select Sunflower from the browser options. Then you need to select Windows. And here in the proxy option, you need to select a proxy. Now, the proxy we created was a SOX 5 proxy, so we will select SOX 5 here. And we will copy and paste the details we generated earlier right here. After that, we will click on Check Proxy. You can verify it here. The UK location and England details have appeared, meaning the exact same perfect location has been set. After that, you just need to click on OK here. Your browser will be created in front of you. Once the browser is created, you need to wait for a little while. It will take a little time to load, and once it is loaded, there won't be any issues. Then you need to click on Open here to open it in it. Now, if you look at the top, you can see Google, Facebook, YouTube, and all these things. You simply need to come here and search for your client's website. When you search, it will appear as if you are searching while sitting in the UK. Your computer or laptop is in the UK and it is being searched from there. And you are seeing that the website is not loading from there, meaning there is some bug or some problem in it. Since you would have already started the screen recording, you just have to send that recording of yours, the screen recording for which he will pay you. Well, you might be thinking why the client doesn't use this proxy himself. There is a reason for that, which I will tell you. The reason is that searching for the website and using the browser this way is called an ethical method, which you do by setting up a proxy. In this, you simply provide all these services to your client for educational purposes or to improve a system. Now, you have to pay for this proxy or browser. It is not a very high payment. If you even get 10-15 clients in a month, the payment for the proxy and browser is covered by just one client. But where will you find these clients? I will tell you that as we go along. Before that, let me tell you how you have to buy this. To buy this, you simply have to come to the upgrade option here. Here you are getting this professional plan. You will get 10 to 100 browser profiles. I just showed you how to create one, and the amount is very minimal, as you can see. If you still want a discount on this, you have to use this coupon code Shazarana and you will get an additional 10% discount. Similarly, if you want to buy Hello Data, for that you have to come to the Proxy product here. Select crypto as your payment method. If you enter Shazarana in the coupon code, you will get a 10% discount here as well. Here. And how much does this come to? $34? It comes to about $1,000 for which you get these things and through which you can provide this service. Because the client does not want to do these things. He wants to avoid these things. He will have you check these things repeatedly. If you have a premium plan, you can charge them 5, 10, 15, or 20 according to your preference and provide them with this service. Similarly, if you want to buy AdsPower, you get the facility of EasyPaisa and Jazz Cash here as well. You can easily buy its premium plan through this and provide these services to clients. And you don't have to make this payment to me. These are excellent tools that I use myself. That is why I've told you about them too. If you want to do it, it is your choice. If you don't want to do it, there is no problem.